Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems. Our energy monitoring solution enables industries to monitor, analyze, and optimize energy consumption in real time, reducing costs while improving operational efficiency and sustainability. Many industries struggle with rising energy costs, limited visibility into equipment consumption, peak demand charges, and manual utility tracking. Without real-time insights, identifying energy losses and improving efficiency becomes difficult. Brilliant customizes the energy monitoring solution based on your plant layout, utility network, equipment, and operational requirements. Smart energy meters and power analyzers are installed across electrical panels, production lines, HVAC systems, compressors, and other critical assets. These devices continuously capture energy consumption, voltage, current, power factor, demand load, and power quality. The data is securely transmitted through industrial IoT gateways to a centralized dashboard, where organizations can monitor live energy usage, compare department-wise and plant-wise performance, identify abnormal consumption, track peak demand, and generate actionable reports for energy optimization. With brilliant energy monitoring solutions, organizations reduce energy costs, improve equipment efficiency, optimize utility consumption, and minimize peak demand charges. The result is greater operational visibility, lower carbon emissions, improved sustainability, and measurable return on investment. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.